Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload multiple images on Instagram and add music to them. It is very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you. First thing you want to do is you want to click on the plus sign and you want to create a brand new post. So in this particular example, we mentioned that we want to create a multiple image post, right? So we want to scroll down and try to find multiple images. Let's scroll down. Let's pick these images over here. So now I'm going to select this white image number 1. Then for example, I'm going to select this image over here, number 2, and this image over here, number 3, right? So essentially guys, this is how you select multiple images. Then you click next when you finish with editing. If you decide to add additional picture, you don't have to go back. All you gotta do is to swipe all the way to the right side, and there is additional plus sign on this side where you can actually add another picture or video. You can change the contrast over here underneath, nothing special. Then on the top right corner, as you can see, you can add music. When we click on the music sign over here, right, you will be able to scroll through the most popular songs right now, the For You page for music. Or you can essentially go on the search bar, right, and type the artist or the song you're looking to add. There is a third option, which is over here next to the For You page. You can essentially browse through different genres. You can look for the pop, you can look for, classical music, you can look for hip hop. And this is essentially how you find the song to add to your multi-picture post. Everything else aside from that, guys, is absolutely as usual. You have to add your metadata, you have to add your location. Last but not least, very important, if you decide to change the music at this step of the post, at the last step of the posting process, you don't have to go back again. You can simply scroll to the bottom of the page and you have another option over here to replace the song. This is very important. You're not going to lose the progress of publishing. So this is how you add music to Instagram posts with multiple images. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.